In this video, I'm gonna tell you where Bitcoin is exactly going to go. Later in the video, I'm gonna talk about Solana and I'm gonna do a technical analysis, and it's gonna be an important one. Okay, make sure to watch the whole video if you like to see where Solana is going. I am also going to look at Bitcoin with Heikin Ashi chart. Heikin Ashi chart, I already talked about it in my video, and I told you guys that there's a good indicator that Heikin Ashi candles can show you where the market is going. So watch the whole thing. I'm gonna explain again why I think that Bitcoin is gonna go to $55,000 soon. None of these are financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. Do not trade based on what I'm saying. But this is the free educational video for you. So please like the video right now. Take a moment. I will appreciate your likes, and that will show that you liked it, and I will make more videos like this. It will make me more excited to make more videos like this. YouTube does not pay me almost nothing for the views I'm getting. I am going for a bigger goal, so I do not really care how long I am spending to make these videos for you, although I'm not getting paid enough to spend my time. As an industrial engineer, you can go search how much an industrial engineer makes, and you can tell that I am really spending my time making these videos for you. All I am asking is just to like the video, and if you would like to share this video, I would appreciate it even more. Okay, so let's get into the video. With Heikin Ashi, I explained that it's a very good indicator. It is a good chart that shows you where market can be going. So every time you guys see the daily candle in any time frame, but daily you have to wait longer, but you can get into a good short or long position when you guys see. For a short position, when you see a daily candle opens without having any shadow on top. So you guys see that shows that how selling pressure has started occurring. Okay, so you guys see that no shadow. There's a small shadow in here. If I want to move this, there's a small one, but then it keeps going. So if you started a short position in here, repeating, none of these are financial advice, but this is a really good part that you can see. If you just look at regular charts, it's hard to say that where Bitcoin can start crashing. It can start crashing, right? But with Heikin Ashi, if you get in here, you go to indicators. You go to charts. This is where you go. You click on this and you go all the way down, and this is here. It's free for everyone. You do not have to pay for it. Okay, now for example, when you see something like this, although it goes lower, when you see still has no shadow under it, and it does not turn to a different color, you could have kept a small position in here, long position. For here, you could have got into a position because there was no shadow. Let me zoom in a little bit more. No shadow. You could have bought in here, held it, and you could have got out of the market or out of your trade long position around here. So from almost $59,000, $59,700 ish, up to at least $63,000, you could have held your position at least almost $4,000, right? So now you guys see, as soon as you see a daily candle with red, no shadow on top, you could have got into a short position from 63,500 down to at least this area. You could have closed your trade that got out of your position around here because it had a shadow, but you could have still risked it and held it more. Okay, so it's all up to you where you decide to get out of it. But this Heikin Ashi chart is a very useful chart for everyone to see where Bitcoin is going. So far you guys see there's another one, although we had a shadow, but there's no shadow since we have opened this candle. Okay, so that's why it confirms me that we have closed below this support line that we had a lot of hits many times, but we broke it finally. I'm going to show you guys in a regular chart, in a bar chart. I'm gonna show you how this pattern is very close to what I'm gonna show you in here. It's a rising wedge, okay? I'm gonna show you that it looks very similar, that slowly you start going higher in a rectangular shape, or even if it looks like a flag, you know, even if it was going up and down evenly, and it would look like a rectangular shape, it still can happen that we can see crash from the bottom, breaking out from bottom, right? So now we can see we had this triangle, we had this drop, base, and I am expecting another drop. At least 255 is my first TP, take profit. And because the reason is we had a lot of support from top of it. If you remember, I said that I really believe that this is a good indicator for you guys, for everyone. This is the rally base rally. So usually we get a lot of support from top of it, which we got it a lot of times, like still getting it, right? Almost from this area. If I want to make a line right here, almost close to this area, and as usually doesn't draw it when I need it to, but we can still get the most support from the lowest part. That's why I am expecting to get to $55,000 if we break. We are very close to break it. In my previous video I mentioned that we had this drop, we were around here. I said that I am expecting even go sideways or go a little bit higher, just do another pullback and then start going lower. And the reason was, if I want to make a line, and it's not going to show you, but if you make a line like this from here all the way, it will show you that we could get stop around here and this line as well. You can see that a lot of times we had hits to this area and we broke. This could look like a fake out if we consider this triangle, okay? And then we broke below, we had a pullback and continuation to the downside, right? But if we just get out, just let me delete this so it doesn't confuse you. So, but even if we look at this way, and it just kept going up and down, and it is looking very bearish. If we do not hold and go for another high to $66,000 almost, we will probably most likely go down here. Yeah, so I just made another line. I had to restart my page, so you guys see the refresh my page actually. So this is what I was talking about. This is the good support. We are getting a lot of hits to it, and this part, $55,000, could be a good area. It can go even lower down to almost 54,500 ish and get support and go for another high. But we need to still decide. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, so I will update you guys. And make sure you go to my Telegram. I put a lot of screenshots with what I'm expecting to happen. This has been like 3 hours ago that I posted in here. I do not make videos every couple hours, but I usually post, and I try to post even more with every movement that I'm seeing from Bitcoin. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, hit the notification button, and join the free community Telegram group. We have like 148 people in that group, so make sure to join there. It's free, and you will see more updates from me. And every time I post a video, I will share it in there so you can see you can see it there. So make sure to subscribe. We are getting more support and subscribers, and thank you. One of my videos got 90 likes and the last one was like 46. Please give me another 100 likes and that will make me very happy. Okay, so I am still expecting this to happen. All right, now let's go to, let me see if I did not miss anything. So if we miss and if we drop even lower than 55, we will most likely go to $49,000. Now let's talk about Solana. If you pay attention here, we had a rejection and we broke above. We had dropped up to this level, right? Similar. It is not exactly like Bitcoin, but very similar. It went up, we got support from top, went for another higher high, but we went back down again and we crashed down very sharply, right? Then we got the support where Bitcoin got support from $49,000. Solana got support from $109 almost, and we went up to 161. So whoever bought it, they were in a good return. But you should have still made sure that you kept this line, because you guys see back to this level, back to all these rejection area, because we broke below, we still got rejected and is still getting rejection, right? But now we are back to this area, and now it is very similar to Bitcoin situation. You guys see that we had this green, and red. This area supported Solana many times. Now we are back to it, and if we break this time again, same as what happened in here, we can go back down like a double top in here. We can go easily back down to $127 because another green, red, green comes in, right? Same as similar here. So we can go back down, get support, just go choppy or get another bounce up. And if we lose this, like Bitcoin, if we lose $55,000 for Bitcoin, we are definitely going back down to $110 at least, to this level, right? So for Solana, it looks like it is getting support so far, but because I'm thinking that Bitcoin is gonna go lower. And even if we want to look at the Solana with Heikin Ashi chart, it can give us some ideas that what it looks like. Yes, it looks very bearish. 2 candles, daily 4-hour candles, both of these are no shadow on top, and also daily, yep, no shadow. So this is very important for you guys. You guys can use these indicators. You guys can use these charts. These are for free. You can look at them and see and use these, because I'm teaching you these for free. So again, please like the video if you haven't already. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching, and thank you for your support for previous videos. I will come back with the next video tomorrow. Join the Telegram group, share this video with your friends, especially whoever owns Solana that you guys know, and comment down below what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.